Hi, class. I've received a couple of questions about the reading section for our CBC course. I am logged into Campus Web as a test student, Amy Amos Test, and I just wanted to kind of explain how the two sections work together. So in your My Courses, you should see a CBC 110 for the Computer-Based Concepts course. You should have already completed your week one assignments in that section. Um, and there's also a CBC1 reading computer-based concepts. And if you go into that section, you'll see some information here about the course. Um, Basically, the two sections used to be combined and it was 4 credits. And they've done some revisions. And so now you take a 3 credit hour course, and then the reading section gives you an extra credit. So you will still be receiving 4 credits for the two sections. And the reading section, basically, there is a required reading that you will complete and a paper that you will write. And you can see some information about the paper you will be writing here. Basically, you will be using internet search engines and find 4 websites, 2 from major media sources and 2 from independent sources that give different viewpoints on a topic. You can choose any topic you like. You will be analyzing not only the viewpoints of that topic, but the sources that you selected as well. I have information here if you want to pre-check your paper with Turnitin, which is a plagiarism checking site, and it will help you make sure you have all of your sources cited correctly. And then I also give you some information about using APA formatting here as well. You can read, there is a syllabus loaded here, so you can download and read the syllabus. This section, I'll go ahead and open the syllabus, share that with you. And actually, I need to update this. The grade range is listed, but you will actually be graded on a pass-fail basis for this section. So when you come in here, the required reading is listed here. It is available from our library. And so you can open that, and basically this is the textbook that you'll be using that will help you with research. And so you can download the PDF or the ebook or read it online. You have a few different options on how to access the reading there. I recommend that you basically just start kind of reading through the text, take some notes. Don't worry so much about writing your paper right away. I don't want you to forget about it, but just start spending some time when you have a little extra time going through and reading that textbook. Look over the assignment guidelines so you kind of have that in the back of your mind as you're reading and setting up your research process. And then, as we get further along in the 8 weeks, then you can start working on that paper. It will be due Friday, October 25th at 11:55 p.m. Other than that, most of your course work will be completed in the CBC 110 computer-based concepts. And currently, we are on week 2, which is going to be Word. Hopefully, even if you're familiar with Word, you'll learn some new techniques. So I've posted a video here for you. And please note that there are 3 forums for this week. So watch the video on what to expect for the week. There are some quick reference guides posted for you. And then you need to go through the lecture material, and you'll see there are several links, and it'll indicate which videos to watch. And as the videos go through and give you tips and things to practice, you might want to pause them and open Word and complete those activities. And so you'll see there's quite a few. We'll cover headers and footers and text effects, character formatting, how to add a table of contents, which actually is a lot easier than you think if you've never done that. It's kind of fun. I give you some information and guidelines on how to do a title page in APA format because you will be doing that for your papers in our course. And also how to make a hanging indent, which is something that you'll use on your reference page for APA. And then there's an activity that you'll do using the help in Microsoft, and you'll actually be writing about that in the forums. And then there's also some library links and activities for you to do that will help you as you're getting ready to do research for the upcoming weeks. So once again, don't forget, it is very important that you participate in the forums, and I will be grading your forums for week 1 here pretty soon. But for week 2, you're going to do the help activity, and then post if you had any questions regarding the exercises, and you're going to do a little research on Microsoft Office 365 OneDrive and post your findings about that as well. And for your assignments overall for week 2, as a reminder, if you've not yet completed the engagement assignment, you do need to do that. So you have your 3 forms to complete. There is a quiz on Word that'll come from all of the videos and the lecture material. And so make sure you're doing those. And then there's also a document that you are going to correct some formatting issues with. So take a look at those. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to let me know, and have a great week.